Welcome to our NAB special. Atomos just announced the Shogun 7, a new 7-inch HDR recorder monitor which can also double as a switcher. The Shogun 7 features an all-new 1500 nit daylight viewable 1920 by 1200 touchscreen display with lifelike rich colors and D-blacks. The new HDR display technology offers 105% DCI-P3 coverage as well as Dolby Vision output for accurate brightness levels on HDR TVs. Recording options include Apple ProRes RAW, Cinema DNG, ProRes and Avid DNX in various resolutions up to 5.7K up to 30 frames per second, 4K 120 frames per second, as well as 2K up to 240 frames per second slow motion from compatible cameras. SmallHD also announced a new flagship professional 7-inch monitor with airy camera control. The new SmallHD Cine 7 monitor offers a stunning daylight viewable display with Full HD resolution and professional 3G SDI connectivity as well as V-mount or Atom power options. The Cine 7 will also be available in models with built-in Teradek Bolt wireless technology. Sony had quite a few announcements for NAB 2019, one of them being the new HDC 5500, the company's new 2/3-inch 4K broadcast camera with global shutter designed for high-end HDR sports and broadcast coverage. Speaking of broadcast cameras, Sony also announced an ENG kit allowing you to transform your FS7 or FS7 II camcorder into a broadcast-ready machine complete with a B4 to E-mount lens adapter, ENG-style EVF, and wireless audio. The Sony CBK FS7 ENG kit is set to become available towards the end of the year. The Sony Venice was one of the big highlights for Sony at NAB, where the company announced more details about their upcoming firmware version 4.0 for the Venice, which will bring high frame rate slow motion options, including 6K at 60 frames per second and 4K up to 120 frames per second to Venice owners. The new firmware update, as well as high-speed license, are expected to become available at some point in the summer. The Sony Hxr Mc is the latest entry-level HD camcorder with a 1-inch CMOS sensor and fast hybrid AF, designed to offer great image quality and no-frills straightforward operation for those operators on a budget. Sony also announced some new S/S Pro media cards, model names SBP120F and SBP240F, as well as a new card reader with Thunderbolt 3 connectivity. The new S/S cards offer transfer speeds up to 10 gigabits per second and are capable of supporting the latest 4K high frame rate options. In September, Sony will release firmware 3.0 for their Z280 and PXW Z190 camcorders, which will get wireless file transfer with dual link connection, fast and stable file transfer to XDCAM Air or FTP servers. The new firmware also adds transfer of both proxy and high-resolution files, in addition to support for their multi-interface shoe with digital audio interface for the new UWP wireless microphone system. The new UWP wireless microphone series were also announced at NAB 2019 and feature lighter body packs and transmitters as well as a quick NFC sync function. That's it for this week. We'll be back next week with more news from NAB 2019.